Christopher Cross, Ride Like the Wind. Yeah! Yeah, riding a horse, ride like the wind. Yeah. This song was popular when I lived in southern Africa, in Lesotho, and there was a dam and a lake around in front of the dam, and we used to, and the lake was like half full, and the banks of the lake were like this. Is literally banked. The banks were banked. Yeah, and we used to run. We used to gallop around. We used to race around the lake at full gallop. It was unbelievable. And my friend had an Anglo-Arab horse called Rudy. It's a Swahili term meaning to return. My horse was. It was actually somebody else's horse, but they were very sick, so I was taking care of it. It was either 3/4 thoroughbred and 1/4 hunter, or 3/4 hunter and 1/4 thoroughbred. I don't remember which. But the chest was like this, and it was 17.5 hands high. The shoulders were up to here. So when you got on this horse, you were way off the ground. You were a good solid 2.5 meters. Your head was literally 2.5 meters off the ground, so you were really high. And this horse, I don't know if the horse was going 20 meters per second, which is like, somebody do that calculation. 20 meters per second, multiply it, go 20 meters times 3,600 divided by 1,600. What is that?
45.
45 miles an hour. I don't think I was going 45 miles an hour, but it felt, because you're around this lake bed, and you're on a horse, and the wind is whipping in your face, and you are riding like the wind, and it felt like you were going 100 miles an hour. It was so cool. Now, this is the problem. I have a horse, and the instantaneous velocity is 20 meters per second. That's the instantaneous velocity. You got that? The instantaneous velocity is 20 meters per second. I'm not looking for a change in kinetic energy. I want to know, what is the kinetic energy of that horse when I look down at the speedometer of the horse? I'm kidding. When that horse is going 20 meters per second, what is the kinetic energy of the horse if the mass of the horse is 600 kilograms? And that horse felt like it was 600 kilograms. I mean, it was a big, powerful horse. All right? Mickey, if you would, and we'll come back and figure out the answer to the question.